The years are rolling by, so true the way that they fly. You should have seen all the liquor we poured out with the guys. I stopped trying to figure out why it drive you nuts to try, but I know you up in the sky, legends never die. Thinking of stories to tell, man, it's really been hard. There's so many beautiful moments, I don't even know where to start. We had one hell of a laugh when you got arrested at one of the bars. They dragged you out and threw you in the car, and you just sit back and you lit a cigar. And you'll never be prepared, man, it hit me like a freight train that I never knew was there. I stay reminiscing about the moments that we shared, feeling grateful I knew you in the blink of time you were here. Forever young, I was so blind to think it would never come. We were just a bunch of kids when it was said and done, with no idea we were watching the setting sun.